Natalie, hier kom ek so goeie man. Hier kom ek so goeie man gekry. Want jy sien, my ma het nog nooit vir my in die kooi French toast met strawberries and just a drizzle of syrup gebring nie. Nog Margaret, Julianne, Adrian het nog nooit in haar lewe vir my breakfast in my kooi gebring nie. Not once, never ever. Wie wat het ek gekry op my skoolholiday? Wie wat het ek gekry? Maak van jou 2 snytjies brood en gaan help in 'n koppie tee en gaan help jou pa by die winkel. Dit is wat ek gekry het. Dis waarom ek so gehard is. Hierdie kinders, maar jy pap groot, hierdie. Hey, don't laugh, you too. You got strawberries and sprinkles. What is your future hold? What is your future? What? No one can surprise you. No one can make it better in your life. Your ma is so bederf. You must pull it back, Macy. Pull it back. Hierdie kinders, strawberries. Kyk nog hier van my. I've never seen, what's that thing that you make with the eggs?
It's French toast.
I've never seen that. I've never had it in my life. Yeah, I can see you having it. You must get up and go wash your car. I know it's raining, but it'll make you harder.